AI won't wait for you to learn it, and neither will the job market. The people learning AI today could be the ones earning more tomorrow. Step 1. The world just changed. Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that the most valuable skill in your career isn't your degree, it isn't your job title, and it isn't even how many years you've worked. It's knowing how to work with artificial intelligence. AI is moving from something people experiment with to something businesses are building into everyday work. And here's the interesting part. You don't necessarily need to become an AI scientist. You need to learn the right skills in the right order. So today, let's break down the AI skill stack step by step. Step 2, AI literacy. Learn how AI actually works before learning advanced AI. Learn the basics. Understand what generative AI is. Understand what an LLM is. Learn what AI can do and what it cannot do. Learn about hallucinations, privacy, bias, and why you shouldn't blindly trust every answer an AI gives you. Think of AI literacy like learning how to drive. You don't need to build the engine, but you need to know how to operate the vehicle safely. And this is becoming increasingly important in the American workplace. LinkedIn reports that U.S. jobs requiring AI literacy skills grew 70% year over year in its 2026 labor market data. First skill, AI literacy. Step 3, prompt engineering. Learn to communicate with AI. Now comes the skill almost everyone has heard about, prompt engineering. But prompt engineering isn't just writing, give me a good answer. It's learning how to give AI context, goal, constraints, examples, and a clear output format. Instead of asking AI, write me an email, you could tell it, act as a professional sales manager. Write a short follow-up email for a potential customer who hasn't responded in 7 days. Keep it friendly, professional, and under 100 words. That difference can completely change the result. And prompt engineering is already appearing among fast-growing AI-related skills in the US. Second skill, prompt engineering. Step 4, AI productivity. Use AI to work faster. The next level is simple. Don't just ask AI questions. Use AI to do real work, research, writing, summarization, brainstorming, customer support, meeting notes, data analysis, presentations, marketing, and even spreadsheet work. The goal isn't AI does everything for me. The goal is AI helps me do valuable work faster. This is where AI becomes a productivity multiplier. And according to the World Economic Forum, U.S. learners have shown strong demand for practical generative AI skills, including foundational AI knowledge and workplace applications. Third skill, AI productivity. Step 5, AI automation. Connect AI to your workflow. Now we move from using AI to automating with AI. Imagine a business receives hundreds of customer inquiries. Instead of manually reading every message, an automated workflow could receive the inquiry, classify it, extract important information, send it to the right system, generate a draft response, and notify the right employee. That's AI automation. You can combine AI with workflow automation platforms, APIs, spreadsheets, CRMs, databases, and business software. And this is where the skill becomes valuable. You're not just using AI, you're redesigning how work gets done. Fourth skill, AI automation. Step 6, AI agents, from chatbots to action. Now we enter one of the most exciting areas, AI agents. A normal chatbot waits for your question and gives you an answer. An AI agent can be designed to work toward a goal by using tools, following steps, and interacting with systems with appropriate human oversight. For example, a business could have an AI system that researches information, organizes it, drafts an output, and sends the result into another workflow. The important skill here isn't simply knowing how to use an AI agent. It's learning how to design the workflow, how to define the goal, how to give the system the right tools, and how to check its results. Agentic AI is becoming an important area of AI development and job demand. Fifth skill, AI agents. Step 7, coding plus AI. Learn to build, not just use. Here's where things get more technical. If you want to move beyond using AI tools, learn some programming. Start with Python, Then learn basic concepts like variables, functions, APIs, databases, Git, and how software communicates with AI models. You don't need to become a world-class programmer on day one, but learning to code gives you something powerful, the ability to build. Instead of asking, which AI tool can do this? You start asking, can I build a system that does this? Technical AI skills such as APIs, RAG, vector databases, and AI development frameworks are increasingly relevant to people building AI applications. Sixth skill, coding for AI. Step 8, EOAP is connect AI to the real world. Once you understand coding, learn AP is. An API is essentially a way for different software systems to communicate. And this matters because AI becomes much more powerful when it can connect to other systems. Your AI model can potentially interact with a website, a database, a CRM, a spreadsheet, a customer support platform, or your own application. That's how you move from AI gives me answers to AI is part of my software. Seventh skill, AI AP is an integration. Step 9, RAG plus vector databases. Give AI access to your data. Here's another advanced concept, RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Large language models don't automatically know everything inside your company's private documents. RAG can be used to retrieve relevant information from a knowledge source and provide it to the model when generating an answer. For example, imagine a company has thousands of internal documents. Instead of asking an AI to guess, a RAG system can retrieve relevant information from those documents and use it as context. Behind many modern RAG systems are technologies such as embeddings, vector search, vector databases. These concepts are increasingly relevant to people building AI applications. Eighth skill, RAG and AI data systems. Step 10, machine learning, understand the engine. If you want to go even deeper, learn machine learning. This is where you start understanding how models learn patterns from data. You'll encounter concepts like training data, features, models, evaluation, overfitting, neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing, and model fine-tuning. This path is more technical, but it can lead toward careers in AI engineering, machine learning, data science, and research. Ninth skill, machine learning. Step 11, AI security plus responsible AI. But there's one thing people often forget. The more powerful AI becomes, the more important security and responsible use become. You need to understand data privacy, security, access control, AI hallucinations, bias, copyright concerns, human oversight, and how to evaluate AI outputs. Because in the real world, a fast AI system that produces incorrect or unsafe results isn't useful. Trust matters. AI adoption requires more than technical skills. It also requires human oversight, decision-making, risk awareness, and accountability. 10th skill, AI security, governance, and responsible AI. Step 12, the human skills AI can't replace. And now comes the most important part. Don't become so focused on AI that you forget to become better at being human. Communication, critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, leadership, adaptability, decision making. Because the future isn't simply humans versus AI. It's increasingly humans who know how to work with AI versus humans who don't. Technology skills matter, but human judgment still matters. Step 13, the AI skill roadmap. So if you're starting from zero, don't try to learn everything at once. Follow this order. Level 1, AI literacy. Level 2, prompt engineering. Level 3, AI productivity. Level 4, AI automation. Level 5, AI agents. Level 6, Python and coding. Level 7, AP is and AI integration. Level 8, RAG and vector databases. Level 9, machine learning. Level 10, AI security and responsible AI. And throughout the journey, keep improving communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. Final. The real message: you don't need to learn every AI skill. You don't need to become a programmer overnight. And you definitely don't need to chase every new AI tool that appears online. Choose one valuable problem. Learn how AI can solve it. Practice. Build something. Then find someone willing to pay for that solution. Because the biggest opportunity may not belong to the person who knows the most AI tools. It may belong to the person who knows how to use AI to solve real problems. AI is changing the workplace. The question isn't whether AI will change your career. The question is, will you learn to use it before the market demands it from you? This is Money IQ. Subscribe for more videos about money, skills, technology, and the future of work. मुझे स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से प्रॉम्प्ट दो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप इस मॉडल टिप के